What you're going to see today: new voices, different instruments, stranger sounds, better prompts, and smarter workflows, all inside Suno. Let's start. Vocal samples. For music, lyrics don't always need to tell a story. Sometimes words need to work like rhythm. Instead of writing a normal verse and chorus, try using short words, repeated phrases, whispers, spoken words, vocal drones, and chopped vocal ideas. Words like move, breathe, pulse, now, voice beat, body, or heat. This works really well for vocal house, techno, electro, dubstep, experimental hip-hop, and club music. The goal is to hear it and want to dance. So think less like a songwriter for a second, and more like a producer building a vocal sample pack. Words can be percussion. Voice can be rhythm. Lyrics can be sound design. No weird screams. Sometimes the lyrics are dark, intense, or a little dangerous. But that doesn't mean you want Suno to go crazy with weird screams, growls, monster voices, or evil laughs. That can happen when the prompt uses trigger words that Suno takes too literally. So the trick is simple. Keep the emotion in the lyrics, but control the vocal style in the prompt. For example, this song has a dark idea in the lyrics, but the style is still rockabilly. So I ask for clean male vocals, restrained delivery, vintage garage rock energy, and a controlled performance. Then I add a negative prompt. No screams, no growls, no monster voice, no goblin vocals, no harsh vocals. This can work in many genres. Dark lyrics don't always need a monster voice. Here's a short example. The full prompt and song link are in the description.
There's something locked inside me, and it's breathing through the walls. I keep my hands in my pockets so I don't tear down at all. I wear a calm expression, but it's only thin disguise. There's a storm beneath my silence, and it's watching through my eyes. Don't ask me what...
Electric guitars. Let's challenge Suno with 3 very recognizable guitar sounds, using the same song, the same lyrics, and almost the same prompt. I'm only going to change the type of guitar. Can Suno handle the challenge? First test, Stratocaster style. I'm looking for a bright, clean solo, with that sharper single coil tone, smooth bends, and emotional vibrato. Second test, Southern rock slide guitar. This one should sound dirtier, bluesier, with sliding notes, warm overdrive, and that American bar band character. Third test, Telecaster style twang. This should feel drier, brighter, and more percussive, with that Nashville country rock bite that cuts through the mix. It's not a perfect emulation, but the character does change. And if the solo feels too sharp, too loud, or too far in front of the mix, that's where producer work begins. EQ, compression, and mixing inside a DAW. Suno gives you the idea. You finish the sound. If Suno keeps giving you the same sounds over and over again, try this. Instead of only typing the name of an instrument, let Suno hear the instrument first. For this example, I'm going to use a glass harmonica, also called a glass harp. It has this crystal-like, almost angelic sound, and it's perfect if you want something more original for lo-fi, ambient, cinematic music, or soft electronic tracks. There are many websites where you can find instrument samples, but for this test, I'm using Sample Focus because it gives you a few free downloads when you create an account. So you can try this workflow before paying for anything. Go to Sample Focus, use the search bar, and type the instrument you want. For example, glass harmonica, glass harp, singing glass, duduk, handpan, kalimba, or theremin. Just write instrument in the comments, and I'll give you a list of strange and beautiful instruments to try. Once you find a clean sample, try to choose something around 10 seconds long, with only the instrument if possible, so Suno can analyze the sound more clearly. No drums, no vocals, no full song. Just the sound you want Suno to understand. Download the sample, go back to Suno, create a new song, and upload the audio. Suno will analyze it and create a description of the sound. Most of the time, it understands the basic character pretty well, so if the description looks right, accept it. Now comes the creative part. You can use that sound as a reference and build almost any style around it. For example, I can turn this glass harmonica sound into a dreamy lo-fi track with soft dusty drums, warm bass, vinyl texture. The idea is simple. If Suno doesn't fully understand a rare instrument by name, give it the sound first, then guide it with the style you want. And this is the result. A lo-fi track built around the crystal-like sound of a glass harmonica. If you want me to go deeper into rare instruments, audio references, and how to use them inside Suno, tell me in the comments. Another trick that is almost too easy. Use Suno to help you prompt Suno. If you don't know the exact music tags for the sound you want, go to the magic wand and ask Suno for style words and phrases. For example, you can write, "Give me meta tag words and phrases for modern dark synthwave with cinematic drums and emotional male vocals," and Suno can give you something much more useful. Check it before generating, just in case you want to remove something, add something, or make the style more specific. Now, you don't have a vague prompt anymore. You have a much more musical style prompt. This is perfect when you know the vibe you want, but you don't know the professional words to describe it. So the trick is simple. Don't only use Suno to create music, use Suno to find the language that creates better music. If Suno keeps giving you the same kind of singer, here's a different approach. A lot of the music culture and vocal references these models understand best come from English language music. So it's not surprising that, when we generate in English all the time, some voices can start to feel very similar. If you don't want to clone your own voice, try creating a new vocal identity in another language first. For example, a young Italian male singer, an emotional Japanese male voice, a soft Hindi female voice. Translate the lyrics into that language and describe the singer very clearly in the style prompt. Age, gender, vocal tone, accent, emotion, and delivery. The goal is not necessarily to keep the final song in that language. The goal is to find a different vocal color. When you get a voice that feels special, save it as a persona. Now use that persona in English. Find that voice. Sometimes, one word can completely change the direction of a voice. I want a voice that feels light, fragile, almost suspended in the air. So the lyrics also need to help. I wrote something very minimal, about particles in the universe moving slowly, in order, for centuries, and then connecting that feeling to a human emotion. That kind of lyric gives Suno space. It doesn't force the voice to attack every line. In the style prompt, I ask for ethereal new age pop, angelic female falsetto, layered airy harmonies, slow tempo, soft pads, deep reverb, and a spacious mix. And in the negative prompt, I remove the things that could ruin that feeling. No diva belting, no heavy vibrato, no melisma, no harsh vocals. The idea is simple. If you want a delicate voice, don't only ask for a delicate voice. Build a world where that voice makes sense.
Quiet and bright, perfectly aligned.
Subscribe if you haven't already, because more and better Suno content is coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.